Xerox VersaLink B405 Multifunction Laser Printer. Replacing the fuser. Power off the machine. Press the power button on the user interface. The Power Down options menu will appear on the display. Touch Power Off. When the machine has powered down completely, disconnect the power cable from the outlet. Caution: the fuser will be hot. Wait 40 minutes before removing it. Open the rear cover. Rotate the latch handles, then grasp the green handles and remove the fuser assembly by pulling it straight out of the machine. Replace the fuser by following the procedure in the reverse order.